But you don't need to go anywhere.
That's right. Spring's coming
It
right
is.
here.
And
We
it's
don't have to do
already
anything.
here for some. And then there's others that have to wait a little bit longer. It has just been unreal to watch the temperature change throughout the area today. It's not done yet. For tomorrow morning, we will get things started early morning in the 40s and quickly make it into the 50s. It will be breezy. It will be downright windy then as we head through the afternoon. And we are expecting to see mostly cloudy skies with sun peaks. You saw it there, 60s. Ashtabula. I'm sorry, you're still 40 degrees. Meanwhile, areas farther to the west are sitting in the 50s, even clipped 60 degrees earlier today. But the good news is the wind that I just mentioned, the very windy conditions, that's going to help to blow what's left of this cold air out of here. There's a warm front that is literally sitting over northern Ohio, and that warm front has been kind of the focus for the showers that we had today, even the little bits of grapple. And that cold air that's banked out to the east. Tomorrow, we'll get this huge push of southwesterly wind, and that will finally help to shove that cold air out of here. You can see wind advisories are already posted over southwestern Ohio. We could have wind advisories posted here tomorrow. I think that's kind of a wait and see at this point. We're talking about wind gusts 30 plus frequently happening and 40 plus a possibility. That would be wind advisory criteria. The storm system that we are dealing with is still out here to the west. There's the warm front, and you can see all the rain showers that are kind of lining up along that front. This is called an overrunning rain. So basically this moisture is being fed northward. It's being lifted on the northern side of the front, and that's where that rain starts to fall. The cold front then, the dividing line between the warmer and the colder air, is farther to the west. This whole thing is going to slow down. It's going to just kind of sit and meander for a little bit. So that basically seals us in with the warmer temperatures for several days. But once this thing unleashes, it's going to come at us next week with much colder air. So you can see the greens already to the southwest of us. And remember, with this area of low pressure, counterclockwise flow, that's why we get that big southwest wind, and big wind it will be. Here's a look at the forecasts of winds and gusts. Sustained winds in white, gusts in yellow. And you can see for tomorrow morning, Mansfield picking up 36-mile-per-hour wind gusts to start the day. All of us will be treated to frequent 30-plus-mile-per-hour wind gusts for the afternoon tomorrow, and those sustained winds will be anywhere from 20 to 30. It is going to be a very windy afternoon. The good news is things will start to settle down a little bit as we get into the evening. So there's that. Now, as far as the rain goes, that same warm front is still going to bring us rain chances through the morning tomorrow. But once the front passes by, we will start to see more and more peaks of sun, and that should happen in the afternoon. Correspondingly, that southwest wind and the warming temperatures, thankfully happening with that sun peak, and that should help us out quite a bit. And I do think we're going to make it into the upper 60s, even for the Tribe game. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, 6:10 start over there at Progressive Field. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Morning rain giving way to sun peaks, 70. How about that? Mid-70s then for Friday. Saturday back to 70. And there you see that change. Once that cold front comes through, we go from the 60s into the 40s. And yeah, we do have some snow back in the forecast.
Yikes, but the next 4 days look pretty good.
Game on.
All right. Thank you, Betsy.